Okay, here's the last video for this section for lesson 1. Example 4, it says, Therese is on a road trip and is keeping track of her car's fuel consumption. So that's how much fuel a car uses when it's driving. The graph below shows the amount of gas in Therese's car at different times of the day. Use the graph to discuss what she may have been doing during the different time frames. So let's look at the graph. The title is volume of gas in a tank per hour. The y-axis is labeled V for volume of gas in the tank, and the units are in liters. The x-axis is T for time, and I'm going up by 1 hour time segments, so starting at 8 a.m. and then going to 5 p.m. So at 8 a.m., Therese used just under 30 liters, or had just under 30 liters of gas in her car. At 9 a.m., she had just over 20, so she went down. And then at 10, she had even less. We can guess, I'm going to say that from that point, so from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock a.m., she was driving. Oh boy. Driving. My typing or my writing on here, again, not great, but I'm doing the best I can. Driving. And I say that because the gas in her tank is going down. So she's losing gas over time. That definitely means that she's driving. Or, maybe someone's siphoning gas from her gas tank. That would be bad. But that's, a little more outlandish. I think a more reasonable explanation would be that she was driving. From 10 to 11, it looks like she's losing no gas. So from 10 to 11 a.m., she was parked. Let's say from 11 to 12, the measurement was that she went from just under 20 liters to 50 liters. I'm going to say somewhere between 11 and 12. 11 a.m. and 12 p.m., she got gas. She filled up her tank. And then from 12 to 1, she loses some. So I'm going to say 12 to 1 p.m., she drove a little bit, drove again. From 1 to 2, she parked. From 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., she parked. From 2 p.m. to 3 and also to 4. So from 2 to 4, she drove again. And then from 4 to 5, she was parked. So from 4 to 5. She parked. Okay, that's how I would answer that question. If you saw one like that, you would need to explain all the different segments, just because there are different segments on the graph. And if I'm not losing any gas, then it means the car's not going anywhere. If I gain a lot of gas, we put gas in the tank. So she probably filled up her gas tank. I hope that makes sense. That was lesson 1, and lesson 2 will be released in a couple days.